Hey guys, are you ready to start grilling? In this video, I'm going to give you tips on how to get your grill ready for an awesome season. Stick around to the end, I have a pro tip that's going to make your grilling season even better. And this is Captain Housekeeper, helping empower superheroes across the land who are in charge of their own homes. On this channel I have how-tos, healthy recipes, and lots of great tips on how you could be the captain of your household. So if you're new to the channel, I hope you'll subscribe. Here's my pro tip. Do this process at the end of the season as well. So when you go to start next grilling season, it'll already be clean. Here in Houston, we actually don't have a grilling season because we get to grill all year round. Where are you at and how long is your grilling season? I hope it starts soon. Leave it in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, no matter what life throws at me, I have the ability to make this a fantastic day.